Just pulled into camp for the night on the Built for Off-Road Rainbow to Ammermoor trip, and I just thought I'd take a moment to show you the NomadPDU setup that I have. There's plenty going on here, and I want to show you how it all works. So it's a lithium portable battery station. Now it charges while I'm driving, and that's just plugged straight into my 12 volt socket in the back of the Jimny there. So as I'm driving, that's charging the whole time, just running straight up into where I have it mounted. So that's cool. I've been out here, this is now the third day I've had this running, and I'm still at 12.8 volts, so it's full. So that is awesome. Now what I've got going on here is I have camp lights running. I'll just unplug them so you can see. I've got an inverter here. Now this is charging the little GoPro. So awesome little inverter here. Just plug that in. GoPro charging, absolutely no worries there. You can charge your drone or any of those sort of items. I've also over here got one of my camp lights, one of my portable camp lights charging. And it is running my fridge from here, so that's just plugged straight in, and I just run the fridge cord straight around into the back where I've got my fridge. So absolutely everything you could need when you're camping. Outlets everywhere. These are the solar inputs, so if you have a solar panel out, it's a bit rainy and cloudy today, so I don't. Plus my battery's full, but you just attach your solar there. You have Anderson outputs, jacks, yeah, all the cigarette plugs and USB ports. So absolutely heaps going on. It's a very, very good unit, guys. Perfect for the Jimny because it's lightweight, it's slimline. Doesn't matter if you don't have a gull wing like I do, because with the Jimnys, it comes with this little housing unit. With the Jimnys, if you're not running gull wings like I am, it'll fit into those mounts that you have running along in your back cargo area. You can attach your bracket to that and just sit your battery straight off to the side. So it's absolutely perfect for that. So definitely look into this NomadPDU from Get Good Gear. Like I say, 100 amp lithium portable battery unit. You can take it out. It comes with a carry case. So if you want to be on the beach or something, you can just pop it in a carry case. Yeah, I've got everything charging right now and it's still at 100%. Like I said, 3 days in, a little bit of driving, it charges while I'm driving, and I'm set. Absolutely perfect.